Hi everybody, welcome to our new video. Today I will compare two LCD TV in this video. So let's go, now enjoy this video. Firstly, we start display. Display type LCD. Backlight mini LED and direct LED. Panel type AiPQ and VA. Screen size 55, 65, 75, 85, 98 inch Europe and 43, 50, 55, 65, 75, 85 inch Europe. Display resolution 4K. Refresh rate 144 Hz and 120 Hz. Brightness 2400 nits and 350 nits. Display colors 1070 million. Pixel density 45 ppi. Video processor AiPQ Pro and AiPQ. HDMI variable refresh rate yes and no. FreeSync and G-Sync yes and no. Anti-reflective coating yes. Ambient light sensor yes. HDR formats HDR10, HDR10 Plus, Hybrid Long Gamma, Dolby Vision IQ and HDR10, HDR10 Plus, Hybrid Long Gamma, Dolby Vision. Part 2 Connectivity. HDMI version HDMI 2.1. Number of HDMI 4 and 3. USB ports 1 into USB A. Wi-Fi 6 802.11 AX and Wi-Fi 5 802.11 AC. Bluetooth 5.2 and 5.0. RJ45 ports on. 3.5 mm audio jack yes. Part 3 Features. TV platform Google TV. Version at launch 12.0. OS updates yes. AirPlay yes. HomeKit yes. Chromecast yes. Voice assistance Google Assistant Alexa. Search browser Amazon Prime Video, Apple TV app, Disney Plus, HBO Max, Hulu, Netflix, YouTube. Part 4 Audio. Speakers 2.1 40 watt and 2.1 45 watt. HDMI ARC and EARC yes. Dolby Atmos yes. Dolby Digital Plus yes. Dolby AC3 and AC4 yes. Detach X yes and no. Detach Digital Surround yes. Detach HD yes. Stereo speakers yes. Subwoofer yes. Part 5 Design. Dimensions 1.24 into 2.18 into 71 mm and 1.25 into 2.18 into 68 mm. Weight 56.8 kg and 56.5 kg. Mounting hole pattern 200 into 200 mm. Special features: height adjustment stand 65 to 85 inch, gambar 3.0, IMAX enhanced, motion accelerator 240, climb ready, and gambar 2.0, motion accelerator 120. Tuners DVB T2 S2 C Europe. Thanks for watching. For more updates, subscribe to my channel.